Hello guys. I want to make a video about keeping your birds safe during winter season because winter is really coming so fast and we all want to keep our birds safe. So here is my bird Milky, and you can see now it's like it's maybe 11:20 here, and I'm shooting the video today, and maybe I will not upload it today. And my bird is sitting over there, and I have opened the door of the cage, and as you can see all of the windows are closed. So during winter season you have to, like, if you have indoor birds, make sure that you keep the windows always closed. Not always, just at the night time, make sure that you like close the windows. And here also it is closed. And I have a good lighting system under this, like under the cage. It keeps my bird warm. Not only like it is not attached to the cage wires, and like it's like this, and it just keeps the under cage warm, and it like prevents the coldness from the bird. It is connected like this. Here is my small dog. And at night, whatever, I'm a person who cannot sleep without the fan, because in the summer I do not need the fan, but in winter I need the fan. It's just very, very typical, I know. Oh, birdie! I am like mad person. I'm a mad person. Here's like water, and there's some seeds. I don't know if you can see this. The seeds. You ate everything, right? There is the, like, it's like the box. I made this one. Don't have to be scared. Okay, so now I'm gonna like close the door of the cage, and I do like this. So if you do it, your birds will not feel bad in the winter. Sorry about one bird. I will soon get another because one of my birds died, and it's really sad. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching it.